In this video, I'm going to show you how to load presets in Pro Tools. So there's really two main ways to do this. I'm going to show you right now. The first one is going to be while you are creating a new track. So if I go to track up here and click on new, or of course press Ctrl Shift N on your keyboard, it's going to open up this pop-up to add a new track. You can then go and select how many you want to create. And then of course over here, if it's going to be mono or something else. And then here where it says audio track, you can simply click on that. And down here, it says track presets. If you hover over that, here you then have Avid, and of course you can select whichever one you have in here. So to load it, you want to click on whatever. I'm going to click on guitars here, for example. There we go, and you can click on create, and it's going to load in. So here, as you can see, for me, it says I'm missing these plugins. That's why I can't actually do this. But of course, if you're not missing the plugins, that's going to be one way to load these, okay? So that's the first way. Then the second one is going to be when you actually have a track. Let me delete this one. You want to right click on your track, and you want to go to recall track preset. Now in here, you want to hover over Avid, and then in here you'll find all your presets, okay? So here you have like a bunch of different ones. You may also have custom ones in case you've added them. I have this custom one over here. I do have a separate video teaching you on how to add these as well. And then you can simply click on the one you want. There we go, just like this. Click on OK, and it's going to basically put on that specific preset, okay? So that's really all you have to do to load the presets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.